In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for software and app ideas quickly and easily. Google Trends is a valuable tool that can help you gather insights into what people are searching for, making it ideal for uncovering opportunities for new apps or software. So let's dive right in and see how you can use this tool to spark your next big idea. First, you'll want to head over to Google and type Google Trends into the search bar. The link you're looking for should be the very first one, so go ahead and click on that to access the Google Trends homepage. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the page. You'll notice a wealth of information and trending topics right at your fingertips. Next, locate the Explore option and click on it. This is where the real magic happens. Here, you can enter general terms about software or apps to see where interest might be growing. Consider terms like productivity app, note-taking app, AI tools, or budgeting app. These broad categories will give you a great starting point. After typing your chosen term, press Enter and take a look at the trend graphs that appear on your screen. Focus on the chart showing search interest over time. This is where you can gain valuable insights into whether a particular topic is gaining momentum or has seen a decline. To dig deeper, adjust the filters at the top of the chart. You can set your location to your target region or country to see more localized results. Additionally, manipulating the time range, be it the past year or the past 5 years, can reveal recent interests or long-term patterns. Now scan the interest by region section. This area highlights where demand is highest, which can be incredibly helpful if you are planning to localize or launch an app that's tailored to specific geographic areas. Another powerful feature Google Trends offers is the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. Scroll down to these parts of the page and see what trends are emerging. Look out for rising or breakout terms such as Habit Tracker app, AI chatbot app, or video editing mobile app. These could be the golden nuggets you need for a next-gen app idea. Lastly, don't forget to leverage the Compare feature. This allows you to pit multiple app ideas against each other to see which one has more traction. Perhaps you're considering a budgeting app, but also looking at an expense tracker or investment app. By comparing these, you'll quickly see which option has the highest demand at the moment. Through these steps, you'll be well on your way to discovering exciting new opportunities in the software and app market using Google Trends. Remember, the best ideas often come from understanding what people are curious about today. So use this tool to its full potential and stay ahead of the curve.